world. She grew up within her castles. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. I've been looking through my memories, I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you're looking out the lane. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see the light of the fire, turning the light aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, burning in the light aurora. My heart is burning and you're gone. Time to hold me on to a burning fire, turning the light aurora. She was hypnotized and walking on coffin nights. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster, started screaming, "Is it someone out there? Please help me, just let me in." Ooh. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see you light up the fire, turning the light aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, burning in the light aurora. My heart is burning and you're gone. Time to hold me on to a burning fire, turning the light aurora. Everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story. You can tell me you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in. Ooh. Follow every breath I go. Tell my heart around and around you know. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh. I could run, I could cry, I could plead. I could say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need. But I still need you to ease my load. Hold me when the lightning strikes. Lead me home, and I don't know which way is right. Love me when it's hard, I promise that I'm not leaving by my side. And when I fall apart, promise in the dark, you'll be by my side. Ooh, you'll be by my side. You'll be by
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.